Why we give up on God? Bakit natin siya sinusukuan? Is it because of too many trials? Is it because of too many challenges? Unforeseen circumstances? Is this the only reason why you're giving up on Him? Nandyan si Lord from the start. Alam ba natin yon? From the start na andyan siya. Hinihintay lang tayo. Or hinihintay ka lang na lumapit sa Kanya. But because of too many things na nangyayari sa'yo, is hindi mo siya napapansin. No, mas binibigyan natin ng pansin yung magiging solusyon natin, no? Sa mga problema natin, sa mga iniisip natin. Right? Alam mo ba na alam ni Lord yung pinagdadaanan mo? Pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, alam na alam yan ni Lord. And God chose you because may reason siya. Pero because of overwhelming challenges na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, hindi mo nakikita yung worth mo. Kasi iba yung focus mo. Have you ever consulted God? Have you ever talked to Him about these unforeseen circumstances na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon? When was the last time you prayed and call out His name? Naalala mo pa ba? Nare-recall mo pa ba? When was the last time you prayed? And when was the last time you even mentioned the word God?